I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper Valentine's Day special bouquet gift idea. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Valentine's Day bouquet, and it's useful too. So you guys can gift this to anyone you like for Valentine's Day. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful bouquet idea for Valentine's Day. So for this activity, I'm just going to be using the rose flower in the bouquet using pink color. So you guys can use red color or anything you like, and for the bottom part I'm just going to be using purple. So you guys can use black or any dark color you like for the bottom part. So it's your own creativity and you guys can use anything you would like to make. And you can use the color what the person you're going to be gifting to likes. So now let's get started by making the rose for the top part over here. So for this I'm just going to be taking one square paper like this, and I'm going to be cutting out a circle. So I already know how to cut out a circle. So if you guys have trouble cutting out a circle, you guys can use a bangle or anything to cut it out. You guys can even use a compass for cutting it out, and you can draw using a pencil, and at last you can cut it out. I'm just going to be cutting it out like this, slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be making it a little bit corrections over here, this part over here, and I'm going to be cutting it out one more time all along this lane, slowly like this. So it's not that you should be fully perfect like what your circle should be, because we're going to be cutting it anyway, and it's not going to be looking, the outer part will not be seen properly. So it does not have to be looking perfect like a circle. So you guys do not have to worry if it does not look like a circle properly. So now I'm just going to be keeping these small parts, cutting parts over here in the corner, and now I'm just going to be taking the circle that we cut out, and I'm going to be cutting it slowly like this. So we just have to cut it in like a boundary like line from the corner part, and we should just start cutting it to the middle line, like over here to the middle point. So I'm just going to be cutting it, and I'm going to be rolling it slowly like this. So you should just cut it, and you should keep cutting it until it reaches the middle point over here. So I'm just going to be cutting it out slowly over here, and I'm going to be cutting it until here. So if you guys want, you can just cut it at the corner if it does not look proper, and I'm going to be cutting it over here. So at last we'll be having like a structure like this. That's like a bendy wavy structure. And now I'm just going to be taking this paper from this corner part, and I'm just going to be cutting it from the little bit from the corner, and I'm going to be rolling it gently and slowly like this. So it will take a lot of time, so please do it in a gently and proper manner, because if we do it fast and it does not turn out well, it won't look nice. So I'm just going to be rolling it slowly like this along this boundary. So please start from the outer part like this. So it should take a lot of time. So I'm going to be doing it slowly and gently like this. So as you go only it will become proper. So if you start late and if you think that it's not turning out well, it's not proper. So it will only turn out well as you keep continuing to do it. So I'm just going to be doing it slowly like this. As you guys see, it's like a small rose. So at last when we stick it, it will become nice and bigger. So I'm just going to be rolling it, and as soon as we reach the end part and we are nearing the end part, I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm rolling it slowly over here, and I'm going to be sticking it like this. So I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle over here. So I'm just going to be opening this glue bottle slowly like this. So you guys can keep the glue bottle ready, and I'm going to be applying some glue over here at the bottom part over here, and I'm going to be sticking this onto the bottom part like this, and I'm just going to be folding it over here, and I'm going to be holding it gently like this. Now as you guys see, I'm just going to be opening it a little bit. So I'm not going to be opening it too much, I'm just going to be opening it a little bit over here. So you guys see, we'll get like a rose like structure. So we should just let it go for a second, then we should hold it so that we'll get like this rose structure slowly like this. So I'm just going to be keeping this rose aside, and I'm going to be starting to make the bouquet for the bottom part. So I'm just going to be taking a rectangular piece of paper like this. Now I'm just going to be rolling this paper gently over here like this. So I'm just going to be rolling it. We should not make it too bigger or it won't turn out well. So I'm just going to be making it a little bit small, because if it's small then we can just cut it out. So for example, if you make a cone that is small, you cut it out over here, and as we go deeper and deeper it will become nice and bigger. But if you make it in a bigger size, we can't make it small. So I'm just going to be doing it again and again so that we'll get a small and nice cute cone. So please do it slowly like this. So at last I'm just going to be applying some glue over here on this part, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So it's not compulsory that the bottom part should be nice and in a conical way like this. So you can even make it nice and bigger. So now I'm just going to be cutting this part gently out over here, and I'm sticking this part nice inwards like this, and I'm going to be pushing it from all the sides over here. So the next step is that I'm just going to be putting this flower bouquet inside here So I'm just going to be applying some glue at the bottom part over here of the paper, and I'm going to be applying glue on the corner parts over here as well. So if you guys want, you can even spread the glue, and I'm going to be sticking it slowly inside here, and I'm going to be pushing it gently like this. As you guys see, it will look nice and beautiful. Now the last step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be taking a cutting paper. So I'm going to be cutting out a small heart from this square paper. So you guys can take any paper in any color and cut out a heart. So I'm just going to be using this color, since I used the same color for cutting out the flower for the rose. So I'm just going to be cutting it out slowly like this, and you should not make it in a really big size. I'm just going to be cutting it out like this, and I'm going to be cutting it over here on this side as well, since it's looking too big and lumpy over here. So now I've completed cutting this out, and I'm just going to be sticking it over here. So if you guys want, you could stick some white paper over here as I did over here to make it look more beautiful. Now I'm just going to be taking a black pen, and I'm going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day over here. So you guys can use your own creativity to write anything over here. You can write any sweet messages or anyone or anything to the person who you're going to be gifting this to. So I'm just going to be writing happy, and I'm writing Valentine's over here. So please write it small so that the size will be perfect, and I'm going to be writing day over here as well. So now I'm just going to be drawing small heart over here. So I'm just going to be drawing one heart over here, another heart, and then one more heart over here. I'm going to be drawing a few more hearts around this area, but do not make the heart nice and big because we have to stick this over here. So you guys can even stick this paper over here as well. If you make it in a smaller size, you can stick it over here, or you can even take this and you can stick it in the middle part like this. So it depends upon your own creativity. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue over here on this part slowly like this. And after we complete this, I'm just going to take this part and I'm going to be sticking it over here gently like this. So we just have to press on and apply some more force. So you guys can use your own creativity to design this. So after we complete this, our paper flower bouquet for Valentine's Day is ready. So you guys can use your own creativity to design this. You can even add more marks over here, and you can just take another layer paper over here, and you can do more. You can use more of your creativity to design this. You can gift it to any of your family members, and you can even gift it to your school friends and members for the Valentine's Day. So you guys, as I said, you guys can stick this part over here as well. So if you think that this is a little bit hard, you can just play the video in 0.25 mode, and you can watch it slowly. And you can also try different ways of making the small rose over here. And it's also a very cute and nice gift for Valentine's Day. So as you guys see, it's very beautiful, and you can gift it to the person you're going to be gifting it to, and they'll be really happy seeing this cute gift. And it's also free, and you don't have to pay any money for this, and you can make it easily in an easy way, very easy way at your home. So after we complete this, our paper Valentine's Day special gift, a bouquet, is ready. So we just did a heart over here and wrote a sweet message, and we stuck a bouquet on top. So that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Also don't forget to check out my Valentine's Day special playlist that has many Valentine's Day crafts. So this one, I also have a card and Valentine's Day heart and many crafts, so you guys can visit that. And there is also a Valentine's Day ring, and there are many crafts in that playlist, so you guys can visit that, and you can make many more gifts for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Also share this video to all your friends and family, and enjoy watching my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.